Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabby and I'm so glad that you're joining me today. And in today's video, I am so nervous, but I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing the one palette makeup tutorial challenge, I guess. So this is a challenge that has been floating around on YouTube that I've seen a couple of my favorite YouTubers do, like Tina Halada. She did this and absolutely slayed her look. So I thought that I would, do this challenge and see if I'm up for it and see that if I could come up with something creative. And yeah, so the palette I actually chose to do this one palette tutorial was the Zulu by Juvia's Place. I absolutely love this palette. I think that there's a lot of fun, just out of the box colors in this, and I thought that this would really make me, think and come up with a look that is very different from what I normally do. So yeah, this is the palette I am going to be using today. I absolutely love Juvia's Place. I love all of their eyeshadows. I have a lot of their palettes. They're just really good quality and they always come in like very different colors. There's something for everyone. You could find like neutral colors or you could find bright out of the box colors. They offer pretty much anything for any skin tone and any eyeshadows that you like. So I really love Juvia's Place. But yeah, that is this tutorial. I have done all of my makeup other than my eyes because I wanted to just focus on the eyes for this look. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. As always, if you haven't subscribed, why? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you be a subscriber and watch my videos and just communicate with me and all that good stuff, as well as like this video if you do like it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we are zoomed in. I kind of just pushed my hair back into a little bun so that's not all in my face because it is always in my face. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I kind of have a look in mind. However, this may go very good or very bad. So we will definitely, my hair. See, this is what I'm talking about. There we go, I guess. Okay, so yeah, this could go really good or really bad. So we will definitely do it, I guess. So like I said, I'm using the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I am going to be using all of these eyeshadows on my eyes today. So this is going to be pretty interesting. So I think what I'm going to do is I've already primed my eyes. I used my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and put some translucent powder down, so that's all set. So I think I'm going to start off with the yellow shade in the crease and just start making the eyeshadow look come together, I guess. Okay, so far so good. So I'm going to go in with this shade now, this orange shade, and I'm working this lower into the crease area just to start blending. Alright, and then just to continue into the crease, I'm going to be going in with this pink shade, and I'm just going to be blending that in with the orange shade and making sure there's like a gradient between the yellow, the orange, and then the pink. Alright, and then I'm going to be going in with this purple shade here just to even further go into the crease and just continue the gradient I have going on. Alright, and then I'm going to actually cut the crease, and I'm going to do like a half cut crease. So I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape, just put some on the back of my hands and go in and cut the crease. Alright, so I've cut the crease. I'm just going to use some translucent powder to set it, and then we will go back into the eyeshadows. Alright, and then just to go over the place where I concealed and do the translucent powder, I'm going to take this pink shade here and go on the lid. Alright, and now I'm going to go back in with that purple and just blend out the edges of the pink and the purple. Alright, and then just to deepen up the outer corner a little bit, I'm going to go in with this brown shade. And then the only three colors I have left to use are these three in the middle. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one on the lash line here all over. And then I'm going to use this blue shade, and I'm going to put this one on the outer corner right here. Alright, and then for the last shade, we have this green one, and I'm going to put that one on the inner corner here. Alright, and the eyes are all done. So I'm going to put on some mascara really quickly. Alright, and then I'm just going to pop on some liquid lipstick. So I'm going to do the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the style Chi. And then on top of that, I'm going to do the ColourPop X Kathleen Lights Ultra Glossy Lip in the style, in the shade Moonchild. And alright guys, this is the completed look. I am super happy with how it turned out. It turned out just like I envisioned it in my head, honestly, and I'm really impressed with the shadows as always from Juvia's Place. And I'm just happy that I was able to, kind of step out of my comfort zone when it comes to color and just, have color thrown up on my eyes basically. So yeah, this is the look. I really enjoyed this. I think that it made me, really think about what I wanted to look like and what I wanted my eyes to look like, and just play around with color. So yeah, that completes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I definitely would love to have you. Like this video if you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up. That's always appreciated. And comment below any other challenges I should do in the future, and I definitely will do them. I haven't done challenges before, but after this one, I kind of want to do some more. So let me know other challenges you think I should do, and I will do them. And yeah, until the next video. Bye, guys.